Hey everyone, I am about to unbox my package from Amazon. I know what it is, and I can't wait to show you guys. Kill Shark in Another World, Volume 4. Here it is, guys. Here's the front. Okay, and here's the back. Hit pause so you guys can read. Now, I'm going to find a page so I don't get demonetized. Okay. I might. Okay, hit pause to read. There you go. Dan, Volume 13. I'm going to find another page so I don't get... Oh. Hit pause to read the back. I'm going to find a page so I don't get demonetized. This should be a good one. Nope, definitely getting demonetized. Here you go. Hit pause to read. Hit pause to read if you guys want to read it. KAIJU number 8. I'm going to find another page so I don't get demonetized. Hit pause to read. I think that was the only page I won't get demonetized, but I just scanned it through. Hit pause to read. That is it for right now because I got more to unbox. And whatever I'm going to show you, when the next one come out, I'm going to see if I can put it in my description or not. Have fun, guys. Peace out.